guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to my channel. So as you've seen, I am doing yarn braids. I really love the style. So basically, as you see now, I spent a lot of time parting my hair, especially the fronts, because I want it to look good. And it's the front, you know, that's where I see the most. Obviously, I can't really see the back of my head, so it's not really going to be perfect parting, you know what I mean? So yeah, as you see as well, to start the braid, I actually sort of like wrap it first, and then I continue to braid. And at the end of it, when I finish, I tie it at the bottom, cut it, and then burn it. You also see that I actually started doing twisting, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do braids. I'm just going to do braids, and that's what I ended up doing. So yeah, I'm just going to let you watch me braid my hair, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Sorry, I'm changing my mind. Instead of actually doing the twist, I don't know, I felt like braiding with it, so I'm gonna braid with it.